today I will start Java programming language. So keep with my channel because this class will very helpful to you, basically ICSE or ISC board students. So let's start Java programming language. Java is the one of the high level programming language, and this language introduced in 1991, introduced by James A. Gosling. James A. Gosling. The initial name of the Java was Oak, O-A-K, Oak. But due to some problem, this name was changed by the team of Sun Microsystem headed by James A. Gosling. The new name was introduced with Java. The Java, this name came from the name of the team members headed by James A. Gosling. First J for James Gosling, the team headed by James Gosling. For that reason, first J came from the James Gosling name. Next, AB came from the Arthur Van Hook. Arthur Van Hook, and the last A came from the Andy Bacterism. Bacterism. So J A V A, Java. This is the small history of the Java. Features of the Java. Here I use only three main features of the Java. First one is Java is an object-oriented programming language. Second one is Java programs are both compiled and interpreted. And third one is Java programs are platform independent. See, only Java programming language use both compiler and interpreter as its translator. Okay. Other programming languages like Basic, C, C++, they either use compiler or interpreter as their translator. See the figure. Here I am trying to show you how Java program use compiler and interpreter both, and why Java program is called platform independent language. See, In this figure, the program written in Java are compiled for conversion to an intermediate code called bytecode through compiler. This code is independent of the machine on which the program is to run. This makes a Java program highly platform independent. This bytecode makes the Java program highly platform independent. When this bytecode is to be run on any system, an interpreter is needed which translates the bytecode to the machine code. So, in the Java program, interpreter behave as a machine. For that reason, interpreter, also known as Java Virtual Machine or JVM. Okay, so interpreter in the Java, also known as JVM or Java Virtual Machine. So, in this class, I discuss introduction of the Java programming language. From the next class, I will start with Java code, and I will also discuss how to write Java program. Okay, thank you.